What is up, guys? I started a new project and I want to show you guys and take you along. Check it out. I purchased a 2020 Ford Transit all-wheel drive with Ecoboost. This one is white with the cargo model with the rear windows. Yeah, so I'll show you guys around a little bit. Here's the key fob. It's kind of fancy, has a little flip out key. Put it in there. So I've just broken in this engine, about 1,700 miles. It has Apple CarPlay, AC. I like how the dash is kind of unique. It has all these curves. Everything's very plasticky though. I mean, it has this leather shift boot, which is kind of nice. Lots of cup holders and outlets up here. A couple more up there. Lots of storage. Hand sanitizer. Overhead compartment. Seats are fairly comfortable actually. Lockable glove box. But yeah, this thing is sweet. Comes with Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa included, and Amazon Key, which actually allows you to ship products directly to your van, so it's pretty nice. The only thing, having driven this for a couple weeks now, only gripes I really have about it, there's a few things that rattle up here, but this thing's not the most secure thing. A couple of the gaps between the foam and the headliner here, minor, but things you notice when you buy a cargo van. I guess these things aren't supposed to be luxurious. Yeah, so far so good. I'm really liking it. Drives super smooth, easy to maneuver around the city, and can fit into a regular parking spot, so that's really nice. So I plan to turn this Ford Transit into a conversion camper conversion. Hopefully we'll be able to build it out so I can live in it full time if I need to. Trying to go for a minimalist build. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the side window yet, but this one did come with the rear cargo windows. Again, all-wheel drive, Ecoboost. It's the only one I've seen so far in California, but I know they're starting to ship them out to different dealerships. I actually purchased this one from Renton, Washington. I put a deposit on it. These things are pretty much impossible to find right now, but I got very lucky. This one comes with the Steelies, which I plan to probably plasti dip black or gunmetal, and this one has the fog lights, which actually are super helpful, so I don't have to do any aftermarket exterior lighting. Some people put the lights up top there. So yeah, this thing is fast. Right now it's empty. Hopefully it can stay that way once I fully build it out. But yeah, hopefully I can use this thing as a full-time van living and weekend tow rig for my Honda track car. So like I said, this thing fits into a regular parking spot. I even have a little bit of room to spare up front there if I want to go in a little bit more. But yeah, this thing makes it super easy to drive around the city and in and around work. I do work full time, so it's awesome to be able to squeeze into a parking spot. So you can see I've already started to do some of the Dynamat here. Made a big difference. This is the Killmat brand. Don't need much of this stuff. The next few shots are from the drive down after I picked up the vehicle, the Transit, from Renton, Washington, on the way down to San Francisco. Took a little pit stop here at Forest Park in Oregon. Went down some windy roads, and the Transit performed really well with the all-wheel drive and suspension. I was really impressed. But yeah, didn't skip a beat. The engine was super strong, and I was super impressed. So very happy with my purchase. Be sure to stay tuned and follow along as I continue to convert this thing into a camper van and a tow rig for weekends at the track. So thanks for watching.